Hi everyone, welcome to our Iceland adventure. After months of planning, we finally started our journey for the land of ice and fire, where volcano meets glacier and the northern lights dance across the night sky. Over the next few days, we are going to explore some of the most stunning landscape of the earth, and also to give you some tips and tricks which will make your journey even more memorable. From Dublin to Reykjavik, which is the capital of Iceland, is a journey of 2.5 hours over the North Atlantic Ocean. And the most interesting part is that there is no time zone change. Since it's going to fly over the Atlantic Ocean, there might be a little turbulence, but it is all worth it. Iceland is an expensive country. So, to save up a bit, we stayed in an apartment where we can cook food, because eating outside every day in a restaurant might end up being very expensive. And honestly, this apartment has everything. And the best part of this apartment is the location. And without any delay, let's go and explore a bit of Reykjavik nightlife. We landed in Reykjavik on 1st of March, and that turned out to be their National Beer Day. So we had to go out and explore a bit of that, and we popped into this interesting pub, which is a mix of library and pub at the same time. Beer and books. Isn't it a deadly combination? As Icelandic names are a bit of tongue twister, I don't want to butcher any of their name, so I will mention the name of the pub in the description. Good morning. The sky is a little bit cloudy, but our spirit is high. So let's start for a new adventure and a new day. And we reached our first destination in Golden Circle, that is Kerið Crater. This is a stunning volcanic crater lake located along Iceland's famous Golden Circle route. Estimated to be around 3,000 years old, this crater is known for its red, striking volcanic rock. Of course, this is still the winter season going on, that's why it is not completely red, but the view is anyway stunning. On to our next destination, which is Gullfoss Waterfall, which is one of the most iconic and powerful waterfall of Iceland. Gullfoss means golden fall, a dropping of total 32 meters or 105 feet into a rugged canyon. The waterfall is known for its immense power. Visitor can view Gullfoss from various viewpoints, including a close-up trail that brings you right to the edge. whether summer or winter. Its raw beauty makes it a must-see highlight of Iceland. The next destination is one of my most awaited spots to visit in Iceland. We are heading into an active geothermal area. Welcome to the geyser. The Geysir's geothermal area is one of the most exciting stops on Iceland Golden Circle Tour. Famous for its bubbling hot spring and erupting geysers, the area is home to Strokkur, Iceland's most active geyser, which erupts every 5 to 10 minutes, shooting boiling water up to 20 to 30 meters right into the air. The temperature of these boiling geysers can reach 80 to 100 degrees Celsius on the surface and even hotter below. With steaming vent, colorful mineral-rich water bodies, and strong smell of sulfur in the air, it is a must-visit destination showcasing Iceland's raw volcanic power. Iceland's weather is unpredictable and can change rapidly, so being well prepared is essential. No matter what the season is, layering is the key. Wear a waterproof and windproof jacket, warm insulating layers, a sturdy waterproof boot, especially for outdoor adventures. Always pack thermal clothing, gloves, hat and a scarf even in summer, as temperature can drop any moment. Strong wind and heavy rains are common, so a raincoat is always better idea than an umbrella. While summer, it brings cool temperatures with long daylight, but in winter, it brings snow, ice and extreme cold. Checking weather forecast and route condition daily is crucial for safe travels. Our next and last destination for today is Þingvellir National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Iceland's most historical and geologically significant location. Situated along the Golden Circle, it's where the Icelandic Parliament was founded in 930 AD, making it one of the oldest in the world. The park is also famous for its unique geological feature as it sits between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Visitor can walk through the passage where the plates are slowly pulling apart, creating stunning landscape. The park also offers beautiful view of Þingvellir, Iceland's largest lake. From erupting geysers to majestic Gullfoss Waterfall and Þingvellir National Park, each stop showcases the diverse landscape and geological wonders that make Iceland so special. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember that this is just the beginning of exploring this little piece of heaven. Please stay with us as we unfold more new chapters of Iceland adventure.